What if in your study of organic chemistry, you come across a question that says, determine the number of sigma and pi bonds in the structure below. Now, the key idea on getting the number of sigma and the number of pi bonds in a structure is very easy. There is just a simple step. Know that where there is a single bond, there is a single bond, there is just one sigma bond in that particular connection. Where there is a double bond, there is one sigma and one pi. One sigma and one pi. Where there is a triple bond, there is one sigma and two pi bonds. So if you come across any organic chemistry question that states determine the number of sigma and pi bonds, now where there is a double bond, there is one sigma and one pi bond, be it carbon-carbon or carbon with any other element. Where there is a triple bond, whether carbon-carbon connection or carbon with any other element, there is one sigma and two pi. So in this case, where there is carbon-hydrogen single bond, that bond is just a sigma. Where there is triple bond, there is one sigma and two pi. Where there is double bond, there is one pi and there is one sigma. So the key idea is very simple. Just know these three steps. Single bond, just a sigma. Double bond, one sigma, one pi. Triple bond, one sigma, two pi. So this is how it appears. There is no way you have up to two sigma bonds in any connection. It is always one. So with triple bond, 2 pi, with double bond, 1 pi, 1 sigma. So in this case, this is the structure given. First of all, we have to count our number of sigma bonds first to make it easier for us. Now, in this particular space where we have double bond, that is just 1 sigma. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 5. Then here we have 6. This connection 6. This is 7, 8. Here we have 9. So here we have 10. Here we have 11. Coming back here we have this 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. And then lastly this is 16. So in this particular structure we have 16 sigma bonds. Now, counting our number of pi bonds, it is only found where there is a double bond or where there is a triple bond. So in this case, we have 1 pi here. This is 1. So this is 1 pi. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And then lastly, this is 5 and this is 6. So in this particular structure, we have 16 sigma bonds and 6 pi bonds. Now let's count the total number of bonds that we have in this particular structure so that we can see if we made no mistake. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So this is giving us 16 plus this is 22. So definitely we missed a bond somewhere. So counting our number of sigma bonds again, we have this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. That is for our sigma. So going by our pi bonds, we have this is 1 here, this is 2, this is 3, 4, this is 5, this is 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So the mistake came from our pi bonds. We have 7 pi bonds because here we have 1. We have 1 here also. We have 2 here, we have 1 here, and we have 2 here. So this is 1 plus 1, 2, plus this 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 pi bonds in this particular structure and 16 sigma bonds. So this is how you determine the number of sigma bonds and the number of pi bonds. Any question of this nature in your study of organic chemistry or in any examination. So with all this being said, I believe you understand how you can get the number of sigma and the number of pi bonds in any structure.